Hello and welcome to Lazy Larry. There he is, Larry, the Lazy Kangaroo. Hey, he's a professional boxer. Yeah, don't mess with him. Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly, my friends. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Larry, the Lazy Kangaroo, sleeps most of the day away. However, when he is not sleeping, Larry is boxing. You see, Larry is a professional kangaroo boxer. He has had 4,622 boxing matches, and he is undefeated. As a matter of fact, Larry won 3,783 of those matches by knockout. KO, my friends. The rest were by points earned from connecting his speedy jab. Boom, boom, boom. That's right. Hey, how many matches did Larry, the Lazy Kangaroo, win by points? All right, so he won all of these matches because he went undefeated, right? Undefeated. And these were by knockout. So we're going to take this number and subtract the knockouts, and the rest were all by his speedy jab, by points, okay? So let's go ahead and do this subtraction problem. So we're going to put 4,622, and then we're going to subtract the 3,783. Bam, there you have it. All right, so when we're subtracting, the very first thing I like to do is look for any trouble coming. I'm going to look here. I got no trouble here. I got trouble coming right here, right away, my friends, don't I? Because 6 is smaller than 7. So that means I'm going to borrow from this 4, turn that 4 into a 3, and then turn this 6 into 16. Super. And then I keep on looking, and lo and behold, I got trouble coming here too, because 2 is smaller than 8, right? So I'm going to borrow from the 16. I'm going to turn that 16 into 15, and then I'm going to turn this 2 into 12, right? And then, lo and behold, I got still more trouble because 2 is smaller than 3. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to turn this 12 into 11, borrow a group of 10 to turn this 2 into 12. And now I have absolutely no more trouble coming, my friends. I'm good to rock and roll and subtract these numbers. I'm going to use a dot method. And so that means I put my pencil on the bottom number and count up to the top number. So 3, and then here we go with count up to 12, right? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That means I've got how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 dots. So I will drop my 9 and circle my dots. Superb. And now I'm counting from 8 up to 11. So here we go. 8 and 9, 10, 11. I've got 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 3. I'll drop my 3 and circle my dots. Super. Now I'm counting from 7 all the way up to 15. So here we go. 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Super. Now I count my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I drop my 8 and circle my dots so I know I use them. And then 3 minus 3 is 0. I can't make any dots counting from here to here. So I don't even have to drop it because it's our last digit on this side of the decimal point, which would really be here. That's for another lesson though. But any number always has, if there's no decimal, there's always a decimal right there. At any rate, that's for another time. For right now, 839, and that is how many matches, boxing matches, our friend Lazy Larry, Larry the Lazy Kangaroo, who is also a boxer, has won by points earned instead of the knockouts. The knockouts were more, right? So 839. Hey, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way here, you know by now. No worries at all. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. And now, what do you think? Should we move on to this one? You betcha we should. All right, so let's move to this problem here and solve it as well. After a match, Larry the Lazy Kangaroo sleeps. Thus his name, Lazy the Lazy Kangaroo. Did I say Lazy the Lazy? Larry the Lazy. I'm losing my mind. That's okay. Hey, he rests his body so he can be ready for his next match. Larry only wakes to eat. He wakes for breakfast and eats a tasty meal of 4,869 ounces of grass and moss. Yummy. Yeah, maybe for you, not for me, big boy. Hey, he wakes again for dinner when he eats another 6,777 ounces of purple flowers and insects. Once again, no thank you. Okay, maybe the purple flowers, but not the insects. No. Okay, anyway, how many ounces of food does Larry the Lazy Kangaroo eat after a boxing match? Well, this is a addition problem. Actually, you should say an addition problem. We're adding this number and this number because he had another amount of meals, right? So another is a key word that means we're adding. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So I'm going to write these numbers down. I'm going to write 4,869, and we're going to be adding. That's an adding sign, right? Oh my goodness, that's a crazy adding sign. Okay, here we go. 6,777. I love making my seven. Super. Okay, so now here we go. With the addition, you're going to make the dots using the dot method, right? You're going to make the dots for the smaller of the two numbers. In this case, the 7. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then you start on the 9 and count up, right? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Super. So I'm going to drop my 6, carry my 1, and go to sleep. No, that's a lie. I'm not going to go to sleep. Okay, but I do have to circle these. So I'm going to circle these bad boys. Bam. There you go. And here we go. Now, 6 is smaller than 7, so I'll make 6 dots. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Bam. And now I start on the 7. I can't forget to count that. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So I will drop my 4, carry my 1, and circle those dots. Super. Now I've got 7 is smaller than 8, so I will make 7 dots once again. I'm going to actually move this over a little bit so I've got a little more room, right? And 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then I put my pencil on the 8. I can't forget that. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So I'm going to drop my 6, carry my 1, and circle those bad boy dots. That's correct, my friends. All right, and here we go. Our last one. I'm going to make 4 dots now. So I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I put my pencil on the 6. Don't forget that. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. All right, so I'm going to drop my 1 and my 1 and circle those dots. And then I put my comma there. And lo and behold, my friends, 11,646. Wow, that is a lot of ounces of food, my friends. And Lazy Larry, he may be lazy, but he can chow down, don't you think? Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, my friends, no worries at all. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.